Friends, and today's topic is about India's economy after the lockdown ends. We will draw out the cards for different industries, for construction, manufacturing, tours and travels, events managements, and also for cinemas and malls, that how the business will do in this current year after lockdown. So let's see your head. First card is for entertainments and cinema halls, which are for public entertainment. Okay. The second card is for construction, the industry which the already people are looking for, whichever for which the government is already looking relief for. Okay. Manufacturing. All right. Tours and travels. Okay. And event management. All right. So the outcome comes in the following way, that entertainment halls and cinemas will be under a lot of inspections from the government, from the authorities, so police and other government departments would be would not allow to do the business as it was earlier. This seems to be on not on a standstill, but they are taking care of. It shows that they will take extra care for this industry. They will look into, they will see that no one comes in directly inside, and just to avoid the spread of corona, they will not allow the ease of doing this sector. Construction industry, the card is the world, and the world is a very good card actually, and we have already seen that there are news coming in that this industry is going to get maximum benefits or relief from the government, from the central government. Another one is manufacturing. Manufacturing has got eight of swords. So eight of swords seems like some of the manufacturing units will be given a very good relief, and other manufacturing units might have to just slow down or have to follow the restrictions which are imposed by the government. Tours and travels, and it has got the devil card. The devil card is like they are not gonna get any relief. It will be the worst performing industry in this current year. So the people need to do extra care. They need to arrange, and they need to plan ahead, and have to survive this year anyhow. And next we see the event management. Event management is also partly okay, partly good, but not a good sign actually overall. So from all this we can see that maximum benefit which industry is going to get is the construction industry. Manufacturing is also fine, but still entertainment halls and cinemas, this places will be under inspections from the various government authorities. A worst thing which we can see is the tours and travels. Event management is not as bad, but it says that like gathering will not be allowed. People will be all only limited things will be allowed. For example, marriages could have been allowed. Marriages will be allowed, and not any big event parties or something. As the card shows, the people are far away from each other and they are facing the other way around. So this is the conclusion, that events, only the necessary events will be allowed to do, for example marriages. So this is how overall the Indian economy will perform according to the tarot cards. Thank you.